TNYA stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this brief and short 1 minute video. Especially looking at Tenaya Therapeutics. This thing is pumping, you know, 22.5% up is freaking phenomenal. I would also want to let you know that since we're inside this supply zone, what I'll do is just zoom out real quick. This is the weekly chart here. And this is where we are. Now, one thing that I'll also tell you is, so yeah, like ultimately speaking with Tenaya, like it is a supply zone. It really all depends about a pre-market session, but for me, if I start seeing some proper double breaks to the downside, then it's going to be a sell side, you know. I don't quite care. It's all about, like, I just need more candles to appear in the chart. That's how it's looking like here. And yeah, I mean, especially if I don't see like a double break, why the heck would I even sell? I mean, we could be shifting to the bullish side. I'm not saying we could not, but if first, at least I would like at least want to see first break above 122, a full candle close above that daily chart, you know what I mean? So I will keep you updated. If you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.